everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my new favorite pizza recipes. It's super simple, easy for dinner, easy for a party if you want to serve it as an appetizer, but it's everyone's favorite barbecue chicken pizza. And this can get thrown together in minutes, no matter what day of the week it is. This pizza is a pizza crust topped with barbecue sauce, chicken, mozzarella cheese, and onions. And we absolutely love it because it's kind of a nice twist, a little bit of a difference from the normal old cheese and pepperoni that we usually make. Now with this recipe you can use my homemade dough, or you can grab a can of dough or some of the pre-made dough at the grocery store. Now I'm going to start with barbecue sauce. Use your favorite, you can use a homemade barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite flavor, your favorite brand. I'm using honey barbecue because that's the one I always buy. I'm just going to spread this around on my crust. Again, one thing I love about making homemade pizza is that you can use as much sauce or as little sauce as you want. Like, I'm not a huge sauce person, so I like it a little drier. Whereas my husband maybe likes a lot of sauce, so we'll make two pizzas and he can have really saucy pizza and I can have a drier pizza. So that's what I love about making it at home. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to use the back of my spoon and I'm going to spread my barbecue sauce all over the pizza. This makes a great flatbread appetizer. If you make it into a square shape for a party, be great for game day. And you can just cut it into squares. It's a little easier to serve and eat than making it into wedges. Leave a little edge around it. So we have our barbecue sauce on there. And then I'm going to add my shredded cheese. Now when I make pizza or anything really where it requires melted cheese, I prefer to shred my own because that already pre-shredded cheese at the store tends to not melt very well. So I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, just a little bit here, because I'm going to add a little bit more on top of my toppings. So some mozzarella cheese. Now I have some chicken. Now this is such an easy recipe because you could totally use this is leftover chicken. We made this for dinner the other night, and so I had another breast leftover. So I'm just using one chicken breast that I sliced up for this. You could use rotisserie chicken. You could use chicken that you grab at the grocery store. It's a great leftover dinner because it's a great way to use up leftover chicken. When you can tell your kids, the kids will say, hey, what's for dinner? And you can say leftovers, and they'll be like, ah, and then they'll realize it's pizza, and they'll be happy. All right, now you can use barbecue chicken pizza usually has onions on it. Now I forgot to pick up a red onion at the grocery store, so I'm just using a white onion. You can use whatever you want. You could use green onions too if you have them. I'm going to use about a quarter of an onion. It just depends on how much onion flavor you like. You can add more, you can add less, you can skip it all together. Now before serving this, I'm going to add some nice parsley to it, or cilantro, so that it has a little bit of green. I'm going to add some more cheese. Nice cheese. It's about 2 cups of cheese. You can use more or less. I love cheese on pizza, so we make cheesy pizzas around here. And now this is ready to go in the oven. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure and eat something pizza-ish today.